Hi, I'm Margaret. Today I'm making one of my family's very favourite cakes. It has a soft texture, a really tasty zing of orange and the very pleasant crunch of walnuts. Do try this one, as I can guarantee you it'll have you coming back for more. This is my orange walnut carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. When greasing cake tins, I use whatever grease or oil is in the recipe. That way it doesn't interfere with the flavour of the finished cake. As this cake is so moist anyway, use just a light coating and you only need to paper the base of the tins. Although there are a lot of ingredients in this cake, it's really simple to make. You just mix the dry ingredients together in one bowl, then mix the wet ingredients together in another one, and then finally mix them all together with the grated carrots. Just watch and see. Well, there you go, simple. Maybe you spotted the 4 egg yolks. I came across a double yolk there, but it will make no difference to the recipe because the volume is the same as it all came from 3 eggshells. Now to bake the cakes. While the cakes are baking, you can make the frosting. I use cream cheese and icing sugar for this, as the result is a soft texture which goes really well with this particular cake. If you don't want to make as much mess as me, you could always mix with a spoon instead of an electric whisk. Once you've baked the cakes, make sure they're cooked by prodding with a skewer or a cocktail stick. If it comes out clean, then they're done. To decorate, it's traditional to use something that gives a hint of what is inside the cake. You can of course use whatever you like to decorate your cake with. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you've enjoyed making and baking with me. If you have, please like and leave a comment below. Thanks for joining me. Catch you next week.